last year I attended po the PAW at isa po yung isa sa tumatak sa akin yung need for education po or privacy education po for the vulnerable sector. Ayan, at yun po yung naging focus po ng advocacy namin to help especially our farmers po, our third party partners, security officers po na i-educate sila to take control po of their personal data as well as po yung mga nasasakupan po nila. For NPC po, salamat po sa pagkilala, salamat po sa parangal na ito. Sa aming collective efforts po, maraming salamat po. For the PAW 2024, hindi po namin in-expect na doon sa advocacy ko, ito yung magiging topic or yung yung core ng PAW 2024 and thank you po.